Turns out it was. Hopefully this you guys can grab. But yeah, change. To another video. Thank you guys for tuning in so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. But without further ado, today we are going to be switching out the rotors in the G35. Fuckers, is also my birthday, December 16th. You guys didn't know, R1 Concept had a huge Black Friday sale, 30% off. We copped some drilled and slotted rotors. Let's switch them out right now. It's super rainy season right now in Sacramento, so fuckers, is also my birthday, December 16th. Today we luckily got a sunny day, but the sunny day is over and now we have a cloudy day. And we want to install them before the rain comes. We're going to be painting the calipers, then replacing the brake pads and replacing the rotor. So a full brake job. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Hopefully some of you guys learned a little bit something about today. And if you guys see anything that I do wrong, make sure to let me know. Without further ado, let's begin this video. They're not the E-line. I know the E-lines are they're the cheaper ones, but these are actually the Geo Carbon, something like that. They're the upper price one, carbon. We'll see how they work and things like that. Picked up some brake pads here for the car. Brand new life. Look at that thick. We also got the paint. We got gold. Hopefully this gives away the wrap color that we're gonna be wrapping the G. Just so you guys are aware. But here's everything we need. We have all the grease and all the tools over there. But yeah, let's get started. Let's get the pads, the rotors, and we'll show you guys the whole thing. Struggle to actually move. We had the Volkswagen and the Honda inside here. I had to pull that one out, then I had to pull this one out, then I had to freaking move that one in, then put this one in, then put that out. Alright guys, so here we just took off the tire real quick. When we take this, we're gonna, once we get to the hub, you guys will have to, you guys will need brake cleaner. You guys can grab this at a Walmart, Target, whatever you guys need. But we're gonna be scrubbing that with the wire brush to take off all the rust. So here on the caliper, there's the bolts right around, this one right here. Holds on the caliper. You don't want this one. This one holds, this one's just to flip this thing cap upside down to like change your brake pads and things like that. You don't want that. We'll do that later in this video. But right now we want this bolt right here. This is the one holding the caliper. And talking about caliper, you want something close by. We're gonna use this bucket right here to hold it. And so this bucket's gonna hold the brake caliper, because the only thing, when we release the brake caliper, the only thing holding it back will be the brake line. And that's not gonna support this weight, so you don't want it breaking or ripping. So we're gonna put it right here and let it rest. And then we're gonna paint this one as well, because you know we're changing the wrap a new color, so we're gonna be painting this. And we're gonna wash this as well with brake fluid or brake cleaner. And but yeah, besides that, yeah, those are the two bolts. There's one here and then there's a matching one at the bottom. We're gonna take those off real quick and see how it goes. All right guys, big fella of the year here. Just a little quick tip, I do this so you guys learn, you guys don't make these mistakes. I was watching a bunch of videos, I was like, what the freak is going on? I just removed it right now. I tried for like 30 minutes trying to remove this piece of shit. It was just stuck on there. I was like, why is it not? I tried the rubber hammer, got a real hammer. I started slamming the shit. It was like loose, but it didn't want to come out. I was like, dude, something's holding on to it. I don't know what it is. I looked on, I'd see the bolts, but there was only these two bolts like that they take out in the videos. I was like, bro, what's holding it? I was like, think, like, right? I was like, what? Dude, I'm doing something right. It's loose. It's not like it's stuck. It's loose. So it has to come out. Turns out, I'll give you guys a second to guess. Turns out, it was my e-brake. I don't know how this came to my brain, but I was like, it's my motherfucking e-brake. It's my stupid e-brake. What the freak? I went inside the car, took off the e-brake, took it out like that. I am so mad, bro. And this is, I'm learning, bro. I'm learning. I'm telling you guys, I'm new to this. I'm learning, guys. The e-brake, guys. That's, oh my god, I feel so dumb. I wasted so much time. Anyways, we took off the thing. Let's put the new one in. And let's paint these brake calipers. Alright guys, we just painted the caliper. Check that out. Looks sick. Alright guys, here's another mistake I was about to make and my dad caught it. I was gonna put this one, but you see the hub right here is kind of skinny. You want the thick one. These are the real ones. Make sure you have the right rotor. Alright guys, we got done with one side. Check this out. Look looks sick, huh? The blue right there is the grease for the brake pad. Yeah. And now that I'm looking at the video, we forgot the bungee cord there in the back. We need to take that out. We're gonna finish, I think, only the other side because it is pretty late. We're gonna finish the other side and we're gonna finish the front too.
Fuckers, is also my birthday, December 16th, so make sure to wish me a happy birthday when it comes. I'm not even gonna remind you guys no more, right?
Check this out, guys. So you guys know, like, quick before we even get to my rotors, you guys know my bumper was cracked. You guys can see along the wrap that it ripped. This was out, but look, it's sturdy. I'm pulling this sucker and it's sturdy as freak. You want to know what kind of glue I put? I'm gonna tell you guys my secret because you know what? I'm transparent with you guys. I wanna improve your guys' life. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but anyways, guys, you see the glue I put on the tires? These are the exact same ones I put the same glue. That glue, when I was messing with it, I was like, God damn, this shit is strong, and it dries up like this, guys. Literally 2-3 seconds, it's dry as a motherfucker. Whatever place you put it, that's the way it's gonna stay. So I really like that glue. It's kind of like crazy glue, and so it's freaking sick. But yeah, here are my rotors, guys. Let me go on the other side. Let's warm up the car too. Freak, what am I doing? I could show you guys and talk at the same time. Here are my rotors. So let me show you guys the back. It's pretty nice, huh? I need to clean my wheels, but yeah, besides that, the rotors are looking good. They're already getting a little, it was originally this color, now it's this color from the pads. Like, the blue stuff is just the grease. I know some of you guys are saying I put a lot. Well, fuck you, alright? Alright, anyways. Not bad, right? So, yeah, I know this color gives in the color of the wrap, like I said. And I showed it previously in other videos. It's going to be satin, energetic, yellow, metallic, polished. I don't even know. It has so many freaking names in it that it's freaking crazy. But the color's already in the house. It looks freaking dope, bro. Like, you guys don't even know. Like, I'm not even gonna say it looks dope. I don't want to overhype it up and then show you guys and you're like, oh, that looks like a piece of shit. So I'm just gonna say it's okay. It's okay, guys. It's just another color. I mean, at the end of the day, it is just another color. So I mean, think of it as you will, but it's just another color. Probably a piece of shit, honestly. I haven't even seen it. Nah, I have seen it. Oh yeah, that's the story I wanted to tell you guys. All right, here we go. So I work at an international center, so we deal with a lot of international people. And this day, I was supposed to give a tour around my university to 19 agents from different countries, 5 different regions, and a bunch of educators from different universities. So I was like, sheesh, usually I just wear cargo pants or shorts or dress super casual, right? Good for the weather because it was gonna rain. So I was like, what does that mean? Does she mean dress for the rain or dress nice because of the agents? So I was like, might as well overdress than underdress. So I wore like a little nice black blazer I luckily found in my closet, some nice pants kind of like these and things like that. And man, I got hella compliments, yo. They're like, oh shit, you look good. Oh damn. And I was like, oh my God, I've never received this type of attention before. So today we're gonna go get some blazers and things because I just like the feeling. It feels dressing nice, and that's why I'm dressed nice a little bit today. So yeah, man, dress nice. It just feels good. You feel just good about yourself. So we made it to school. Guess who came? My baby. Guys, look, I park here in these apartments, right? Because the parking permit in my school is $500, but why spend that much when I could just spend it in my car, right? So I park in this apartment residence, undisclosed area here in California. And check this car that's right here, bro. Sheesh. Let me know what you guys think, bro. Woo, that's fire, bro. But more, as you guys know, YouTube is having this whole kids policy. So like, if your content is kid friendly, I believe, then you don't get monetized as much or something like that. So fuck you. Fuck. Oh, she's sandy. She's sand. All right, guys, let me tell you a quick story right here. So she got me a present, really expensive present. I'm not even gonna say the price, but it's really expensive, right? And I was like, well, tell me. I spent a whole month trying to get it out of her ass, just like, bro, what is it? Like, give me a hint. What is it? I'm just gonna wait till Christmas, blah blah, make this special, right? Because she combined my Christmas and birthday, right? Because my birthday is December 16th, fucker, so remember. And Christmas, December 25th. So she combined both because the gift is really expensive. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait, make it a surprise, stop ruining it. So I stopped guessing. And so we're walking right now, literally as we're happening. I got my dad a really
You know, Vehicle Virgins, he sponsors Vincero watches or something, and I was looking on Vincero watches and they were really nice and things like that. And I was like, I think this could be a really nice watch for my dad. I was looking over my emails and Vincero sent me like a confirmation email, whatever. I was like, babe, look what I got. Well, first I was like, babe, look at this watch, right? Look what I got. And then she looks at the watch and she says, did you really get that? What do you mean? Yeah, I got it. And then everything clicked. I was like, did you get that for my Christmas? And she was like, I wanna cry. Oh. And then I was like, babe, this was for my dad. She's like, oh, well, I didn't get you a watch. All right, guys, we're a little late. We gotta go deliver those stickers on time before the mail picks up the thing. 3-step method always assures you fast, quick delivery. Here we go. Oh, shit! All right, we came back home. We collected the stickers, y'all. Look. Tell me this one looked up. Babe, come grab the keys. 3 of those small stickers left, and we have 4 of these big ones. So let me know if you guys are interested. And then put one in the back like this. Tell me that wouldn't look dope. Like, come, babe. Like, which one would look better? This or that one on top?
The one on top. Ow. Just kidding.
For those of you guys who ordered some stickers, thank you guys so much for ordering. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. And yeah, thank you guys very much. I appreciate you guys a lot. We just got to the mall. We parked the G. You already know we had to park next to the Z. It's a Nismo too, bro. 370's Nismo. Look at that, bro. Look at the seats, bro. Nice, bro. Let's see. All right, guys. Look, check this out. Y'all see that Lambo over there? All right. So they're having a Lambo, right? Like, they said $97 to drive it. My babe said, oh, you should do it. I'm like, bro, I'm just gonna buy one. So, hey, 100,000 likes, I buy a Lamborghini. So she just bought a dress, bro. She said because it's the last one in the store, it's meant to be.
It's meant to be. It was on the mannequin.
Oh yeah, she got it off the mannequin. So
Off the mannequin. That's even extra. It was meant to be.
Extra
on me.
meant to be.
It's
Extra
meant to
points.
be
Shut up.
on me.
We found this super red suede jacket. It might fit, maybe.
A large?
No? I know, guys, I'm a small guy.
Aw.
Oh, perfect.
Oh,
bro.
shit.
Sheesh. It's meant to be.
Stop. It's not the last one.
No, but I never fit in a large.
That's true.
That's true. What time is it?
Damn.
Oh, it ain't working. Got
Dang. Oh, shit.
shit.
Damn.
Bro, rate me 0 to 10.
1,000.
This meant to be. How much is it? We gotta leave this shit here. We gotta run, bro. 54. It is.
It was
It
originally.
is JF Ferrar though.
Oh.
It is. Should I do it?
Picture colorful.
Damn, bro. It's nice, right? All right, we're gonna take it. All right. The red one, the red suede one, or forged carbon fiber, bro?
That is not carbon fiber.
Sheesh. We're walking out of here, boys. Let's go. We're walking out of here.
Damn, who is he? Damn, oh.
If you didn't like it, you love it. Sick, bro. They're singing, bro. We're done and back with shopping, back to the Batmobile. Anyways, guys, we're gonna cut the vlog there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the rotor situation and the whole day we enjoyed here today at Universal Studios. I'm just kidding. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a like, comment anything you guys enjoyed about the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.